Resetting generator object in Python. I have a generator object returned by multiple yield. Preparation to call this generator is rather time-consuming operation. That is why I want to reuse the generator several times. Of course, I'm taking in mind copying content into simple list. Is there a way to reset my generator?
Another option is to use the itertools.t function to create a second version of your generator. This could be beneficial from memory usage point of view if the original iteration might not process all the items.
Generators can't be rewound. You have the following options. Run the generator function again, restarting the generation. Store the generator results in a data structure on memory or disk which you can iterate over again. The downside of option 1 is that it computes the values again. If that's CPU intensive, you end up calculating twice. On the other hand, the downside of 2 is the storage. The entire list of values will be stored on memory. If there are too many values, that can be unpractical. So you have the classic memory versus processing trade-off. I can't imagine a way of rewinding the generator without either storing the values or calculating them again. You could also use T as suggested by other answers, however that would still store the entire list in memory in your case, so it would be the same results and similar performance to option 2.
Probably the most simple solution is to wrap the expensive part in an object and pass that to the generator. This way, you can cache the expensive calculations. If you can keep all results in RAM at the same time, then use list to materialize the results of the generator in a plain list and work with that.
If you want to see more, please subscribe.